Pressure cooker power, your path to culinary confidence. Pressure cookers, listen up. These aren't your grandmother's pressure cookers. They're sleek, safe, and ready to make you a kitchen hero. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, pressure cookers are your secret weapon for delicious meals in a flash. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor and convenience. What makes the pressure cooker so special? Pressure cookers are like magic pots. They trap steam inside, creating superheated steam. This steam cooks food faster than traditional methods. Think tender chicken, fluffy rice, and flavorful stews in minutes. But there's more. The intense heat from the steam locks in moisture and nutrients. Your food won't just be fast, it'll be healthy and delicious too. Get ready for a culinary adventure with pressure cooking. The beauty of pressure cooking benefits galore. Time is precious, right? Pressure cookers get it. They cook food up to 70% faster than conventional methods. Imagine serving up a hearty stew in under an hour. Pressure cooking also saves energy. By reducing cooking time, you're also reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Get ready to embrace faster, more efficient cooking with your pressure cooker. Recipe 1: Simple chicken stew, a symphony of flavors. Let's start with a classic chicken stew. This recipe is so easy anyone can make it. Trust me, the results will be restaurant-worthy. Get ready for tender chicken and perfectly cooked vegetables, all infused with rich, savory flavors. Gathering your ingredients. The building blocks of flavor. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. See? Simple, everyday ingredients. The pressure cooker will work its magic and transform them into something truly special. Let's get cooking, transforming ingredients into culinary delights. Today we are going to take simple, everyday ingredients and transform them into a mouth-watering chicken stew that will warm your soul and impress your family and friends. First, set your pressure cooker to the sauté setting and heat the olive oil. This step is crucial as it helps to build the foundation of flavors for our dish. The olive oil will not only prevent the ingredients from sticking but also add a rich, smooth texture to the stew. Add the chicken and cook until browned on all sides. Browning the chicken is essential as it locks in the juices and adds a depth of flavor that will permeate the entire stew. Make sure to turn the pieces occasionally to get an even golden brown crust. Next, add the onion, carrots, and celery. These vegetables are the classic base for many stews and soups known as mirepoix. They will add sweetness, earthiness, and a subtle crunch to our dish. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the vegetables to soften and release their natural flavors, which will meld beautifully with the chicken. Stirring occasionally ensures that nothing sticks to the bottom and everything cooks evenly. Then, pour in the chicken broth, thyme, salt, and pepper. The chicken broth will serve as the base of our stew, providing a savory and rich liquid that will bring all the ingredients together. The thyme adds a fragrant herbal note, while the salt and pepper enhance the overall taste. Close the pressure cooker and set the valve to seal. This step is important, as it ensures that the pressure cooker will build up the necessary pressure to cook the stew quickly and efficiently. Cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. The high pressure will tenderize the chicken and meld all the flavors together in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional cooking methods. Allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes, then manually release any remaining pressure. This gradual release helps to prevent the stew from splattering and ensures that the flavors have time to settle and develop. Finally, shred the chicken using 2 forks. Shredding the chicken allows it to absorb even more of the flavorful broth, making each bite tender and delicious. Serve hot and enjoy your flavorful, comforting chicken stew. Garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and an extra layer of flavor. This hearty dish is perfect for a cozy night in or a special family dinner. Bon appetit! Recipe 2: Quick vegetable soup, a garden in a pot. Craving a light and healthy meal? This vegetable soup is packed with nutrients and comes together in a flash thanks to your trusty pressure cooker. Assembling your ingredients. Nature's bounty awaits. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 14.5-ounce canned diced tomatoes, undrained, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped potatoes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Get ready to transform these vibrant vegetables into a soul-soothing soup that's bursting with flavor. Let the cooking commence. From garden to bowl. Set your pressure cooker to the sauté setting and heat the olive oil. Add the onion and garlic. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in the vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, potatoes, oregano, salt, and pepper. Close the pressure cooker and set the valve to seal. Cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes, then manually release any remaining pressure. Ladle into bowls and enjoy a warm and comforting bowl of vegetable goodness. Recipe 3. Easy Beef Chili, a flavorful fiesta. Looking for a hearty and satisfying meal? This beef chili is packed with protein and flavor, and it's incredibly easy to make in your pressure cooker. Gathering your ingredients. The essentials for a flavorful chili. A good chili starts with the right ingredients, and today we're going to walk you through everything you need to create a pot of chili that's not only hearty, but also packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion chopped. The ground beef will provide a rich, meaty base, while the onion adds a layer of sweetness and depth. 1 green bell pepper chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced. The bell pepper brings a fresh, slightly sweet crunch, and the garlic adds a robust, aromatic flavor that permeates the entire dish. 1 15-ounce canned kidney beans rinsed and drained. Kidney beans are a classic choice for chili, offering a creamy texture and a mild flavor that complements the spices. 1 15-ounce canned black beans rinsed and drained. Black beans add a different texture and a slightly earthy taste, making the chili more complex and satisfying. 1 14.5-ounce canned diced tomatoes undrained. The tomatoes provide acidity and a bit of sweetness, balancing the richness of the meat and beans. 1 10-ounce canned diced tomatoes and green chilies undrained. The green chilies add a mild heat and a tangy flavor. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. These spices are the heart of your chili, giving it that signature warmth and depth. Get ready to transform these simple ingredients into a chili that's bursting with flavor and will warm you from the inside out. As you combine these ingredients, you'll notice how they come together to create a symphony of flavors. The meat browns and releases its juices, the vegetables soften and meld, and the spices infuse everything with their aromatic goodness. This is the magic of chili, a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts, perfect for a cozy night in or a gathering with friends and family. So roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking. Let the cooking magic begin, from stovetop to deliciousness. Today, we're transforming simple ingredients into a hearty, flavorful dish that will warm your soul and satisfy your taste buds. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that takes you from stovetop to deliciousness in just a few easy steps. To make cooking easier, you'll need the right tools, and a pressure cooker is a must-have. Check the description for the best-selling options. Set your pressure cooker to the sauté setting and brown the ground beef. This step is crucial as it adds a rich, savory depth to your dish. Make sure to break the meat into small pieces as it cooks to ensure even browning. Once the beef is nicely browned, drain any excess grease to keep your chili from becoming too oily. Add the onion, green bell pepper, and garlic. These aromatic vegetables will infuse your chili with layers of flavor. The onions bring a subtle sweetness, the bell peppers add a touch of freshness, and the garlic provides a robust, earthy undertone. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the vegetables to soften and release their natural flavors, creating a fragrant base for your chili. The key here is to stir occasionally to prevent the vegetables from sticking to the bottom of the pot, and to ensure they cook evenly. Stir in the kidney beans, black beans, and diced tomatoes. These ingredients not only add texture and heartiness to your chili, but also provide a boost of protein and fiber. The beans are a staple in chili recipes, offering a creamy contrast to the meaty beef, diced tomatoes, and green chilies. The tomatoes add a tangy sweetness, while the green chilies bring a mild heat that enhances the overall flavor profile of the dish. If you prefer a spicier chili, you can add more chilies or even a dash of hot sauce. Chili powder and cumin. These spices are the heart of any good chili, providing warmth and depth. The chili powder adds a smoky, slightly spicy flavor, while the cumin offers an earthy, nutty note that complements the other ingredients perfectly, salt and pepper. Seasoning is essential to bring out the flavors of all the ingredients. Add salt and pepper to taste, keeping in mind that you can always adjust the seasoning later if needed. Close the pressure cooker and set the valve to seal. This step is crucial for building up the pressure needed to cook the chili quickly and efficiently. Make sure the lid is securely fastened and the valve is properly set to avoid any mishaps. Cook on high pressure for 15 minutes. This short cooking time is one of the biggest advantages of using a pressure cooker. It allows the flavors to meld together beautifully while ensuring the beans and meat are perfectly tender. Allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. This gradual release helps to lock in the flavors and prevents the chili from becoming overcooked. Patience is key here, as a natural release ensures the best texture and taste. Then manually release any remaining pressure. Carefully turn the valve to release any leftover steam. Be cautious, as the steam can be very hot. This final step ensures that your chili is ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with your favorite chili toppings, like shredded cheese, sour cream, or chopped onions. These toppings add an extra layer of flavor and texture, making each bite a delightful experience. Enjoy your homemade chili, a perfect dish for any occasion. Conclusion: embrace the pressure, unleash the chef within. There you have it. Pressure cooking is easy, fast, and delivers amazing results. These 3 recipes are just the beginning of your pressure cooking journey. Experiment with different flavors, ingredients, and techniques. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and impress yourself with your culinary prowess. So, ditch the takeout menus, grab your pressure cooker, and start cooking delicious homemade meals today.
Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, to stay updated with our latest videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Check out the description to find the product link.